everyone, it's Melissa with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Edgecombe County Center. Helping me today is our summer intern, Grayson.
Hey guys.
In this video, we will be demonstrating our Independence Day flag holder. If you've registered for this citizenship project through our 2020 Summer Fund programs, you would have received your kit with all of the supplies. So, let's get started.
So this is what your kit will look like before you open it, and it includes everything you'll need, including your nails, your flag canvas, and then we have also provided you with the super glue you'll need. And so the only thing that you'll need that we did not provide is the hammer.
You'll need to start by decorating your flag. The colors of the flag are red, representing hardiness and courage, white, representing purity and innocence, and blue, representing vigilance and justice. The flag also has 50 stars representing the 50 states and 13 stripes for the original 13 colonies. During step 1, sand your wood edges to prevent splinters and attach the ball piece to the end of your flagpole with glue. During step 2, glue the flag onto your flagpole using the small tabs on the ends of the canvas. During step 3, align the pre-made nail holes on the rectangular pieces and hammer in 2 nails to create the brace. In step 4, attach the flagpole base to the brace from step 3. Hammer in 5 nails into the pre-made holes. In step 5, attach the large oval-shaped base to the other end of the brace using 5 nails in the pre-made holes just like you did before. Now for the final step. Proudly display your new American flag in your DIY flag holder.